Hello fellow traders, welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy with our brand new signal on GBPUSD, aka British Pound per US dollar. This is today's second signal and it's going to be a sell signal, so hold on to your seats, and without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as we all know, the market is currently closed, but at the end of the market we have seen that the pressure of the sellers was much more stronger than the pressure of the buyers, and this shows that there is going to be a small correction to the downside, because the summary of the points that this currency has gotten in the previous week is small. And on Friday's news, we can see that all the news pumped up the price to the upside, and we are going to notice it in the chart as well. And as we all know, the news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and analyze the currency there as well and see what we can do. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on 1 hour time frame, and we can clearly see that on Friday the price was pumped up because of the news that actually made the price a little bit bullish. But the fact is that these news pushed the price to the upside and made the price to gather all of the margin and money that has been sleeping above these highs and a lot of previous highs. So the price might still keep going to the upside a little bit, but I have an entry area for you guys ready and pre-drawn for you. There is a great resistance level up above here and a great support level right below the price, and we are gonna set our sell setup really beautifully so you can enjoy. As always, sit back and have fun so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, it is always up to you when to enter the trade, and I wish you all a good day and have fun and peace.